What's good, y'all? My name is Ricky Butler, and this is my Procreate demo for my St. John illustration. So let's just jump into it. So yeah, this is actually my first video on my channel. Hopefully I could do more. Just give y'all a little background. I'm actually a tattoo artist based out of Fredericksburg, Virginia. I own Lost Tribes Tattoos. I typically use Procreate for a majority of my workflow. Being a tattoo artist, I've been using Procreate for about 5 years now. But as a tattoo artist, I typically just use it so I can flesh out a design and then put some hard lines around my little sketch. After that, I'll print out the design and actually tattoo it from there. So doing some digital paintings to actually flesh out a design and stuff like that is kind of new to me. But this is why I'm making this YouTube channel. So hopefully I'll do more and more and get better. So y'all can just see my progress. Like I said, this is the first one that I'm doing. So hopefully as time goes by, I'll be a master. So right now what I'm doing on the screen, I'm just doing my little gesture drawing, just trying to get the individuals on the paper. If you don't know who St. John is, he is a singer. I guess you could call him a hip-hop artist. This image right here on the right hand side is actually just a screenshot of one of his videos. The video for Lust, one of his singles. Now, I just thought it was just some cool imagery. I like the song too, so I figured, like, what the heck, why don't I just start with something easy peasy, but also interesting to draw. So yeah. So he's actually driving the car, and he has 4 other women riding with him. So I'm just sketching it out. I think I'm just using, typically when I sketch things, I use the HB pencil. Oh, by the way, this is a iPad Pro. It's an 11-inch. It's the 3rd generation. I'm using a 2nd generation Apple Pencil. I actually just upgraded to the 12.9-inch 4th generation iPad Pro, but you'll see that in another video. I love it. I love a bigger screen. The 11-inch wasn't that bad. I used it for like 2-3 years. It came out in 2018. Yeah, so ever since 2018 I've been using it, but a bigger screen is a lot better when it comes to drawing on a consistent basis. But right now I'm just cleaning up the lines. I'm just trying to have a bold line around everything just so I can start using my, put my flats in. This design actually took me a little bit longer than expected. I don't know how many hours. I just do like 1 or 2 hours a day on it. Yeah, I guess the trickiest part is the car. I never really did a lot of vehicles. Even in my tattoo career, I don't really do a lot of vehicles, tattooing them. But yeah. Even landscapes too. Like I really, being a tattoo artist, you do a lot of certain type of designs, but you typically don't do landscapes or certain like painting, or what am I trying to say? It's just a different format to actually paint something versus tattoo something. Tattoos have a certain style, or certain things look best on skin. Certain things look best on canvases. So this is definitely a learning curve for me. I hope I can continue this on a regular basis so I can improve. As it goes on, you're going to see a lot of flickering on each individual and on the vehicle. Just because I'm trying different things, I don't really have a set group of brushes or anything at that matter. I mean, as of right now, so you're gonna see a lot of flickering. That's just because I'm trying different things, man. Even on my brushes, even on St. John on the car, I use more of a grainy texture brush at first. I kind of liked that, but the girl behind him had more of a smooth, soft brush. So, I mean, I was just going back and forth with, what kind of style I want to do. And I think that's kind of why I like digital paints, because there's so many different things that you can do. I guess over time, I'll figure out my method and how I want to execute a painting. But as of right now, everything's pretty much up in the air. I just want to try different things, see how I feel about it. Even this painting too, once I complete it, you'll see it. And I mean, I really kept everything simplified. I feel like I can even go back in it and actually put more detail in it. But, just like gambling in the casino, the hardest part is knowing when to quit. So I just quit it. Not quit, but I just let it go. And I'll just pick another design up next week when I post another video. But all in all, I think it came out pretty strong. Yeah, I mean, there's still some certain things that I want to learn. I think I have a good firm grasp on Procreate, and I'm just looking forward to doing more pieces. So we're getting close to the end. I know I rambled on the majority of this video, but I just wanted to give a brief introduction of who I am and, my background. But yeah, this is my first demo, Procreate demo, and this is the final product of my St. John illustration. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to follow me on Facebook or Instagram. Peace.